Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing creamy pumpkin, butter bean and mushroom oven bake, right? Really nice and simple, really healthy, really easy to do. Right, a little bit of olive oil into a baking dish, right, just like that. I need more olive oil. I'm going to add in about 1.5 kilos worth of Kent pumpkin. I'm leaving the skin on for this one. I'm not even going to bother peeling it. Right, get all that tossed around in the oil, just like I'm doing right there. Make sure we get some lubrication happening to all of that pumpkin, and very, very simple to do. And I'm just going to give that a little bit of seasoning with some salt. I'm also going to add in around about 2, maybe 3 carrots, just finely sliced, or just diced up like that. Just put that straight in like that. My oven's already sitting at 180 degrees. Okay, we're going to get 1 to 2 brown onions, just give those a quarter, just a nice big rough chop, just like that. Put those in. Yep, here we go. A little bit of Himalayan pink rock salt straight over the top. Just season that up nicely. Into the oven around about 30 minutes, alright, until it goes soft. I've got a couple of bread rolls which I've just torn up by hand, and I'm going to add in a little bit of Parmesan cheese over the top, or pecorino. You can choose whatever you like. Right, I'm going to add in a nice amount of thyme as well, fresh or dried, it doesn't matter. Give all of that a bit of a stir. Now, quantity wise, that is up to you. Use as much or little of any of those ingredients that you like. Okay, a little bit of olive oil over the top, and if you want to learn roughly what it was, it's around about sort of 3 bread rolls worth of bread, tablespoons worth of thyme, something like that. Okay, and about 2 tablespoons worth of cheese. Right, around about 80 grams worth of spinach leaves, they can go straight in. 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit more olive oil, give that a nice blitz up in a food processor, just like I'm doing right there. Really nice and simple. And I'm going to add in around about, let's say about 300 ml worth of thickened cream. Give all of that a bit of a blitz up. I'm going to end up with this green goop. Oh, it's a beautiful sauce. Okay, so our pumpkin is cooked through. We can put a skewer through there. 420 gram can of butter beans, they can go straight in just like that. Really nice and simple. And I'm going to add in around about 125 to 150 grams worth of nice little button mushrooms, which I've quartered. Right, just giving that a bit of a choppy chop. That can go straight in. And that green sauce that we just made, that can go straight in just like that. And this is going to add a real nice flavor, simple, healthy sauce, the garlic flavors and everything else to our vegetable bake. Right, so I'm going to call this vegetarian, not vegan. Then I'm going to dance around a little bit more of our spinach leaves. So in total, it's probably around about 80 grams worth, maybe 100 grams worth of spinach leaves. We used about a quarter of that for our sauce. I'm going to put the rest on top, just like that. Okay, and just be careful of that dish. It is still going to be hot. We've just taken that out of the oven after all. Now we're going to put our breadcrumb straight over the top, just like that. So it's going to have that beautiful cheesy olive oil and garlic and everything else. We're just going to put all of that straight over the top, just like that, and it's going to be an amazing, nice little crunchy top to our nice little vegetable bake. Alright, so just sprinkle that all over, just like that. No rocket science to this. And what we're going to do, we're going to put that back into our oven and let that cook off for around about another 20 minutes or so. Alright, so Mrs. KP is going to put that in the oven for me. Due to my MS, I'm most likely going to drop it, but it should come out looking something like that. And I'll tell you what, the flavors are amazing. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is really easy and inexpensive to do, especially when pumpkin is at a decent price. Anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on platforms of social media. We're trying to get them in KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a nice one pan easy dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll try to eat my creamy pumpkin, butter bean and mushroom bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye.